Hello, music lovers and composers. Welcome to the Creative Generalist channel. Today, we will take a deep dive into Cakewalk Next, a next-gen DAW designed specifically for beginners and songwriters. When we open our browser and go to cakewalk.com, we are greeted by two different products, Sonar and Next. This part is crucial. Sonar is a classic, complex engineering tool, whereas Next is a modern, user-friendly tool focused on creativity. Also, while Next works on both Windows and Mac, Sonar is Windows-based only. Scrolling down on the next page, we see the feature comparison table. As stated in the frequently asked questions section here, Cakewalk Next uses a freemium model. This means the basic version is completely free with no time limits. However, if you get a BandLab membership, you gain access to extra sound packs and some advanced features. For beginners, the free version is more than enough. When we click the Get Free button, we are not downloading the program directly, but rather the Cakewalk Product Center, which manages all Cakewalk products. Select the version appropriate for your operating system and start the download. Run the downloaded Product Center installer. This software works like Adobe Creative Cloud or Native Access. It allows you to manage your licenses and updates from a single place. Complete the installation wizard with standard settings. When you open the Product Center, it will ask you to log in with your BandLab account. Since Cakewalk is now part of BandLab, this account is mandatory. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free by clicking Sign Up or connect quickly with your Google account. Once logged in successfully, the Product Center interface opens. Here you will see both Sonar and Next. Today, we will install Cakewalk Next, which is more modern and easier to learn. Click the Download button on the corresponding line to start the process. When the download is complete, the Install button will become active. Click it to launch the Setup wizard. Accept the agreement, check the option to create a desktop shortcut, and complete the installation. Now we can start Cakewalk Next by clicking Launch. You will see the release notes on the first launch. Then the Quick Start screen will appear. This is very useful. You can open a blank project or start producing immediately with ready-made templates like 4-track, band recording, or EDM. When you select a template, for example, instruments, you reach the project workspace. Unlike Reaper, it doesn't start empty. Next has a very modern interface that guides you and works with drag-and-drop logic. You can select instruments from the left and edit your clips on the right. In this guide, we covered the download, account creation, and installation steps of Cakewalk Next in detail. If you want to focus solely on making music without getting bogged down in technical details, Next is a great starting point. However, if you are looking for more technical, unlimited, and completely free alternatives, be sure to check out our waveform-free and BandLab videos on our channel. Additionally, if you are interested in traditional music notation and composition alongside modern production, we highly recommend MuseScore, a completely free and open-source software. Detailed content about this tool is already available on our channel. We encourage exploring such tools to broaden your creative workflow, and similar content is already featured on our channel and will continue to appear in the future. Whether you're just starting out or already advanced, you'll find valuable content in our playlists. We are here to help you find the tool that best fits your creative process. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.